Hi, I'm Brianna Hoy, and I will be doing a physics momentum problem. In this problem, we do not know the velocity of one of the objects, but we are going to find out this velocity using the momentum formula, and this is how you do it. We have two objects. We have this blue car, which is 3 kilograms, and this white car, which is only 1 kilogram. They both start at rest. Let's start. We did it. They're at rest. Okay. And then after, we have this 1 kilogram car going 30 meters per second this way. Ooh. But we have this blue kilogram car going, we don't know the velocity. Like I said at the beginning of this problem, we don't know the velocity of one of the objects. And this blue car is the object. But that's okay, because we're going to find the velocity of this object. Yes, we are. So, you're going to use the formula momentum before equals momentum after. So, what is the momentum really? It is the mass times velocity. So, in order to find the momentum before and the momentum after, you have to know the mass and velocity. So, we're going to start out with a simple formula as P before equals P after. Please write this down. Yes, grab your pens and paper. This is important. Now, you have the mass of this first object times the velocity of this first object plus the mass of the second object plus the velocity of the second object. And now we are going to set that equal to, please put your equal to signs on the paper, the mass of object 1 times the velocity of object 1 after. And now you're going to find the mass of the second object times the velocity of the second object after. Simple as that. Now, like I said, when we're doing the P before first, we're going to handle that with the mass and velocity of object 1. The mass, 3 kg, and since it starts at rest, it is 0 meters per second. Plus the 1 kilogram car, and it's also at rest, so it's also 0. So 3 times 0 is 0, and 1 times 0 is 0. And when you add 0 plus 0, you get 0. So you're going to set this equal to P after. So now you must find the P after. So you get the mass, which is 3 kilograms, times the, we don't know the velocity. So we're just going to leave it as V of the first object after. And we add it to the 1 kilogram car, which goes, like I said at the beginning, 30 meters per second this way. So, with that said, you have 1 times 30. So, now you have 0 is equal to 3 kg times the velocity after of the first car plus 30 kilograms meters per second. Does everyone have that? I hope so. Now, you're going to have the 0 equaling that, and now we must move the 30 kilogram meters per second over. Now you have a negative 30 kilograms meters per second equal to a 3 kilograms times the velocity of the first object after. So now you have the negative 30 and you have the 3, and you want to get the velocity of the first object after alone. So you're going to divide by 3. So when we divide negative 30 kilogram meters per second divided by 3, which is the 3 kg, you get negative 10 kilogram meters per second equal to the velocity after of the car. You did the problem. That's it. Simple as pie. Glad I can be of assistance. Thank you. Goodbye.